So we're headed to the meet right now. Dude, flames out the exhaust of that thing.
Oh shit, they're
Oh boy!
Oh shit!
Gavin's probably not gonna do anything though.
Douglas doesn't care.
He does not care. We got a few cars. A few of them. Look at all the headlights of the people that are following us. Everyone there is with us. There is literally the whole car show following, ready to see this and get some on. Boy. So here's the front of us. Boy, this is about to get insane. Boy, all these people are sitting there freaking riding with us.
You up! Car's not stopped.
We're about to get one up front. What? This downshift?
One, two, three! Missed it.
Missed a gear.
Coming, baby, I'm coming.
Coming for him! Coming for him! Hell yeah! Hey, Harry!
I see him.
Oh, she scared the shit out of me.
You good? I see him. I'm just making sure he knows he got gas. Oh, damn!
He's got some get up.
He's about to run the bet. Hey,
Damn, that was a close ass race.
You want to talk shit, huh?
Damn! Oh, you got him. And there's Doug leaving his bottle heater on. Now he needs to jump his car. Hi, Zorby. Oh my gosh, it's Zorby. Go follow it. There's another shooting star. Look at it. Wow. Wow. Hey, Zorby, do a cool trick. All right, turn your bottle heater off.
It's off now.
Doesn't need to be hot anymore.
It's off now.
All right, good deal. Canes it is. So fun.
Poe's going and give them the keys. The rental is officially gone as of today. Poe, do you want to say any goodbyes to the rental, bro?
I miss it.
This was a really nice car.
It really is. 2019 diesel
Like,
Altima.
I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do whenever you first got it.
Yeah, that's why you got your second one. All right, me and Caleb are leaving the rental. The rental is finally gone. Open up a new chapter of life. Don't have a daily driver, but I'm about to get a daily rider. So Austin is here, and we're gonna ride with him to go get my new ride. Aloha. What's up? Howdy. Mello? Austin.
What's going on, man?
Nice to meet you. Austin Mello. So I've got the radar detector mounted. On the old hat. We're gonna wait like an hour away to go get a bike.
Bicycle?
Yeah, it's a bicycle. All right, so we are on the side of the road right now.
In the middle of nowhere.
The truck just started smoking. Probably broke a belt. It's definitely smoking. Oh shit. Oh. I think we just lost a booster. Oh, oil's been getting on your exhaust. There's a bone dry. That's no good. We're literally in the middle of nowhere and it's getting dark. I don't have any service on my phone at all. What the heck? Man, this is the first time the 7.3s gave us a problem. I didn't bring my gun with me. What? What do you suppose is next?
Keep going down the road.
Oh boy, for an adventure.
Let's just hope it doesn't spit more fluid out though.
I don't have any service to look up nothing.
We can call, but I don't even know where we are. Oh, this guy's slowing down.
I'm sketched out just by this dude slowing down.
Well, normally people don't stop. I flipped my truck over and people didn't stop for me.
Yeah.
Y'all want to just keep on making our way down there?
Follow me in my house.
Yeah, I was waiting.
I'm thinking we need to vacate.
I was waiting for that one.
He said 10 miles that way. Should we probably turn around?
I think we're gonna be better off going this way.
This guy also knows that we're stranded out here. It's so easy for him to show up with guns and rob our asses.
All right, we're rolling out. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we got a gas station, bro.
So we came to the conclusion that the brake booster slash power steering booster, they work together, and we think that went out because his brakes don't work.
We have no brakes on.
And his steering wheel does not work either. Or at least the pumps don't, so it's super hard. It's like a manual brakes or something like that. That's crazy. Here's a gas station, we're gonna stop at that. What? Okay, so we just made it to the gas station and got some power steering fluid. We're going to put some fluid inside of this thing.
But so we were driving down BFE, like literally by Kisatchie in the middle of the forest to get over here, and out of nowhere we just started smelling like something. It smelled like an electrical, like some electrical burning. So we stopped and pulled over and came and checked under the hood, and it was smoking, and then we figured out that there was power steering fluid everywhere.
Wow. You know, it's really weird. I just now had this feeling that there was something going on and that I needed to tell you.
Well, there's something going on.
Did Bo get the dirt bike or what?
We haven't made it there yet.
Oh.
Oh shit, it's spraying. Is that your turbo?
Yes. Where's it spraying from?
That sounds terrible.
Where's it spraying from?
I don't know, I just got sprayed in my eyes. Yeah, some got on the camera.
We're gonna figure out what we can do.
We have brakes and we have steering, which is nice.
Wow, safety again.
Just in time, the guy's about to get here in just a few seconds. So I got a new toy. Here she is. Look at it. It's a CRF 450X 2009, completely street legal with Supermoto front rear wheels, geared for the road, aftermarket exhaust. Actually a really clean blinker setup, set for a plate and everything. Mirrors, everything, tachometer. Bike's on right now, but this thing is clean and this is the new bike. So this is my daily driver for the next few days.
Welcome to Po' Boys.
We're pulling into Chili's because food is good. All right, well, we're going to eat and we'll catch y'all on the flip side. All right, so we're leaving the Chili's, and a ton of these army guys are all drunk and they're getting driven back in a van because they're all extremely... I think the driver might be drunk too.
They're all extremely
What the heck? They're all drunk. It's 10:36 and we're gonna get back home at 1.
Hello, Po.
Oh, I was so confused. That's a reflection. Wow.
So we got this cool feature in Austin's truck. Let it focus. We can see the trailer and we can see the bike on the trailer from inside of here. So it's dark and he's got the camper shell. So we can make sure the bike's still in good condition because we are on some bumpy roads right now. So I just want to make sure the bike's still staying straight. We can leave that on, which is freaking awesome. All right, guys, so just got home. Got the bike into Caleb's garage. Check this thing out under some light. This is a nice freaking bike. It needs a little bit of work, obviously, here and there. But this is a nice bike. It's got aftermarket exhaust, blinkers, tail lights, headlight, all the above. Key ignition. So blinkers work, all the above. Then blinkers on this side. Let's see what kind of exhaust this is. This is a Lex Max exhaust. I don't know. It sounds good either way. The bike itself is in really good condition. It's got some nice wheels on it. Those hubs are freaking beautiful right there. Golly. Dang, that thing looks sweet. So I'm probably gonna get some spoke skins for this. as well as clean up this frame. I'm probably gonna polish the whole thing. It's got new grip up front. It's got the tachometer up there. And like I said, key ignition. So I mean, it's a super nice bike. All I gotta do to it is a few things just to make it clean, and I'm gonna clean up a little bit of the wiring in here because it's kind of a mess in there. So I'm gonna clean all that stuff, and this bike should be good to go. It's a freaking sweet bike. Dang, I dig it. So just got the bike. It is 1 a.m. and I'm very tired. Either way, I'm very tired. It's 1 a.m. The bike's right here in the garage. I'm about to go take a sleep. Adios till the reveal.